Here we are again working on the Ford 1910. As you can see, we got the oil pan off and all that. The liners are out. Everything looks good in the holes down there. What we did find on the number 3 liner, and hopefully you can see this, some very heavy pitting on the walls of these liners. There was a small crack on the inside of number 3. I don't know if you can see that or not. Very simple is to have 2 O-rings at the bottom and they push down in there. There's some more pitting there on the opposite side. Some of these holes are actually pretty big and pretty deep. That one right there is probably one of the worst ones. But this side over here is just all corroded really bad. So it wouldn't take much for coolant to get into the wrong spot on that. But that is what we found. Other than that, everything looks good. The pistons look good. The bearings look good and all. We have the head off. We pulled the head off all one piece with the intake and everything. We have the rocker arms, push rods all sitting there. There's the head gasket sitting with the rocker arm bolts. So at this point we're going to get ready to put the new liners, put the O-rings on, and start to put everything back together. But that's what we found. And that is number 3. Number 1 also had significant pitting on it. Number 2 was all rusty. You can see how they're just kind of all rusty and all. But yeah, there's a lot of pitting on the outside walls of that. Some of those are pretty dark. They're pretty deep.